Here's the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE earbuds. I'm going to show you two ways how you can factory reset these, okay? The first way will be using the wearable app. The second way is you can do it manually. You typically want to do a factory reset. You have issues pairing or connecting to a device. Maybe one side's not working or one side has lower volume than the other. It keeps maybe disconnecting. Maybe you get sync issues and so on. So the first way to factory reset these is through the app. Make sure the buds are in, the lid's open, leave it just like that, and then go to wherever your Galaxy wearable app is, where it's currently paired to. So I'm gonna go to my wearable app here. Okay, Galaxy wearable right there. Let's tap on that. From here, you go down to earbud settings. From here, we're gonna scroll down and you see reset right there. Let's tap on reset, and it says, all your earbud settings will be reset to their default. So if you don't proceed with a factory reset, we're going to tap on reset right there. Give it 1 moment. We're done. Go ahead and close the lid. And then when you open it, the factory reset is complete, and now it's in pairing mode. So from here, it's back in pairing mode. Now you can connect back to the same device, or let's say it's in pairing device. So now it's in pairing mode. So now let me connect to, let's just say my iPhone here, iPhone 16e, okay? So from here, it's already in pairing mode. If I was on an Android phone, you may get a pop-up here, but you can always close the pop-up and just go directly to settings on an iPhone or an Android phone. Anyway, I'm gonna go to settings here. I'm gonna go to my Bluetooth settings. It should be in a pairing mode. That spinny thing is looking for devices in pairing mode. It found my Galaxy Buds FE. Let me go ahead and tap on that right there, okay? And now we're gonna be connected shortly to my iPhone, okay? Now we're connected to my iPhone. So now, how do we do a factory reset manually, okay? Also, I don't have the wearable app on my iPhone, okay? So if I want to factory reset these manually, I was already paired to my iPhone, okay? So if I want to do a factory reset and pair it back to this phone, I have to go to my settings, go to my Bluetooth list, and it was connected here, okay? So what I gotta do first is click on the information on here, and I have to forget this device, basically unpair, remove, delete it, okay? If you're on an Android phone, it just says unpair, but iPhone, forget device, okay? So now it's not connected at all, or not paired to my iPhone. So now let me just go ahead and close the lid, and then we're gonna factory reset these manually, okay? So watch closely, okay? Close the lid, make sure the light's off. Now I'm gonna open it up, and I'm gonna hold both of the sensors like this, and just hold it until that green light starts blinking, green, red, green, red, green, red. Okay? Now it's in pairing mode, green, red, green, red. So now I can go ahead and connect back to this phone, back to my iPhone. I can connect to my TVs, my computer, whatnot. Anyway, I hope that helped you guys out.